Welcome to Hilomarket. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to share your PnL on Hilomarket. First, head over to your dashboard. In the performance tracker, if you're in profit, you can share it by clicking the Share button. This will display your all-time USD profit along with the performance chart. You can either click Copy Image to paste the generated photo anywhere, or select Share on X to create a pre-filled post. You can also change the time frame, for example, share your profit from the last week. For individual predictions, you can share PnL when in profit, whether the market is still ongoing or settled. For ongoing markets, click the Share button to generate a card with your live PnL and prediction stats. For settled markets, you can share your final PnL in the same way. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching.